Today we are gonna play another episode of Flood Escape. So further ado, let's get started by spectating, bruh. So as you saw, I have some Robux now. Yeah, I bought like 10,000 Robux, I think. I bought something like that. Okay, and I just bought a pass, so I'm gonna do Sunken Sarita. I want that. I want Sunken Sarita. No. Okay, whatever. Still falling. Woohoo! First one. Okay, not the first one, I think. Woohoo! Someone just boosted in intensity. Like after it was better. Oh, okay, I thought I didn't have any mark. Low. Okay, getting this button for everybody. Okay. Lava's right behind us. Woohoo! Oh, I forgot. This was the other route. Well, if you didn't know, this song is actually gone backwards of marriage rings. Bruh. I am so bad at this game. That's why I'm level 13. Good for you. Okay. Let me spectate. Okay. Stop spectating. Okay, I won't follow in again. No, never mind. Nope, not even one person. Woohoo! 1, 2, 3, I got the button already. Okay. What? Okay, I thought, what? Okay, slide. Okay, there you go. Oh, 22 air. Okay, not useful. Woohoo! Nope, you can't do this trick again, I think. Okay. I hate this new update because every time I slide. So bad. Get up here. No! Oh, so close. I thought I was actually gonna die. There you go. Boom. I can't even turn my camera now. Woohoo. Yoo-hoo. Okay. Okay, I have officially completed the level. I hope. Excuse me, what are you falling from? Oh no. I want Sunken Sarita. Oh my god. No, don't even tell me. No, not even one person really want. Okay. Rescue person, whatever you're called. Touch the button. For no reason. Okay, getting for this person. Getting this person. And then have to go all the way over here. And then have to... Okay. This is getting bad. I have to jump like that. No. Not dying. Not dying. Okay, this whole time. No! I am so bad at this game. Okay. It is 100% gonna turn into lava. Okay. Oh yeah, finally made it. Oh, okay, it turned to lava. It did turn to lava. If I miss this jump, I'm 100% officially gonna die. There. So yeah. Woohoo! Woohoo! There you go. Why is this so bad? Okay, something side to toe. No, please! No! Yes! Yes! No! No! Something touched. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, everyone's gonna get for this button. I am too. Oh my god! It was so glitchy. How did I do that? Boom, boom, boom. Bros forever, whatever it's called. Okay. I am officially gonna beat this with this. Okay, this guy knows better than me. Okay. Oh, I forgot you have to literally go all the way on top of this. Is there any rescue persons? Oh god. How do you go? Oh. I thought there was no way to go back. Oh no. Oh god. Okay, I've wasted too much time now. Ooh. Shortcuts? No. Jump, jump. Oh my! Oh god! I was right in that. Okay. Sunken side of tail. No. Why does no one want to do what I want? Okay, whatever. By the rare head address. Waiting for the whole server. Oh my, okay. More like the server was waiting for me now. Okay, there you go. Thank God. There's a ladder right here. I could literally just climb it. Okay. Woo! 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 No! 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 I should have never played. Ah! Okay, that is so bad. I'm so bad at this game. I should have never played with that. Wait. Why was I not going to the ladder? If the ladder was right there. Okay, whatever. Boom, 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 boom. How do you do that? So, let's just pause the video. 3, 2, okay. Oh yes! Sunken Turtle! Yes! 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 This is the map I was waiting for like 1 year. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, whatever. Why is everyone so laggy? Why is everyone so laggy here? Excuse me. Does anyone know what route am I going? Yes. Okay, someone's going for that. Okay, you got that? It is already rising. Laggy! FBI, open up! Let's do this. My favorite map of all Flood Skate 2. This has so much details. How can you even not like this map? Okay, I've actually wasted so much time there. Go up! Go up! Okay, got enough there. Dun, 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 dun. Got that button? I've actually gone to level 14, I think. So Timmy, whatever it's called. Okay, got that button. You got that button. No, 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 don't be too late. Don't be too late. Last jump. Yes. 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 Leveled up. Oh. Okay. Okay, I think you could do this trick again. No, you can't. Can't you? No, you can't. Get out of my way, dudes. Boom. Yeah. Got that. Got that shortcut. Then we have to go. I was scared of doing that shortcut. I might die again. Like always. Bruh, why you following me? Boom, boom. Oh no. Oh no! Okay. Thank you, whoever's actually gonna get that button. Okay. Thank God. I didn't even got that button. Boom, 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 boom. 3, 2, 1. Okay, you got all of that. Boom. Okay. Woohoo! Yeah. Okay. Okay, that was actually pretty bad. Yes. Let's do this. Wait. What is this mysterious box right here? Excuse me, box. Can I go inside of you? Oh yeah, I could. Construct this real. Yes, I want that. I want that. I want that. I want that. Oh my God, yes. 2. 2. That's 2 boats. 2 boats. Oh yes. That dojo. Okay. Construction Joe, here we come. Boom, boom. There you go. I'm gonna get here. Because it's so laggy. Excuse me. Oh, there you go. Someone already got that button, didn't he? Yes. Shortcut, shortcut, shortcut! No, no shortcut here. Fast-paced music. Nice. Noise. I wish there was a shortcut for that button. Go, 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 and go. Dun, 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 dun. Bruh. Is that guy even gonna... That guy didn't even got that button, did he? Dun, 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 dun. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. We went right now. We just went back in time now. Hehe. I'm just kidding. There's no back in time. It's because I used the map again and I wanted to do it, and we actually got it. Did you want to go? No. No. Okay. Whatever. Wait, that guy had a person. Okay, it is very laggy now. Like the song though. Okay. Anyone? How did you do this music? Woohoo! Woohoo! Okay. Got that. Oh, okay. Woohoo! Oh no, I couldn't do it. No! Don't start the thrill again. Do this! Guys! Boat! Excuse me. No. Oriental Grove. No. Yes. 3 times in a row. Woohoo. Never have experienced this. This, and this. Okay. Okay. This is getting pretty rigged. Okay, got that. Let's go here. I'm gonna pass you. I did pass. Okay, 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 okay. We got this, we got this, we got this. Yes, we got that. We got that. Nice. Nope, I'm getting this button. Hey, I told you I'm gonna get this button. Got that button too. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, we're doing this. Okay. Get that button, I'm gonna go over here, and over here, and over here, and over here, and got that button. I don't know why that purple guy literally just came for that. Okay. You got this. No! No! Okay. Let's just pause the video. Okay. Okay, this is note. Ho, 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 ho. Construction drill. Ho, ho, ho. Yeah! We. Oh no. Lava's rising very fast. Go, 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 go! Got that button? Ding, ding, ding. Oh, this guy didn't got that button now. He thought. Oh, that guy was about to die. Woohoo! Oh, he did. Bro, am I ever... Okay. It's pretty bad. Okay. Got that? He did. He climbed. Okay. Yoo-hoo! Anyone get that button? Thank God. Let's open up. Woohoo! I'm getting every time. Oh no! Okay. I died this time. Okay. Over here. I remember when I was first playing this map, I was so confused where I was going. I didn't even know where I was going. Like every time, one thing that happened always is okay, boat map, constructing trail. There's this part, the last part. Okay, we have actually made something now. The last part, there was a part that made me so confused. That's why I actually don't. That was the hardest map for me. And yeah. So yeah, let's just get this button right here before this guy does. Okay. Anyone? Okay, I'm dying. Excuse me? Anyone? No, I'm dying. That's why you should never go so fast. Okay. Why are people so slow? That's why we died. Do that. Excuse me. Oh. Rebirth 1. I don't know if he's level 1 or if he's Rebirth 762. Oh, okay, it was Rebirth 62. Got it. Okay. I am wreck. Okay, whatever. Description. Okay, no. Construction trail. No. Okay, yes. Okay, thank God. You have done it again. No, excuse me, my man. I got this button already. Hee boy. Lol. Okay. I think of getting a new thing here, so yeah. Okay, I don't know why I'm doing that. Lol, I'm just in here. Okay, that got that. Excuse me. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Me and this whatever color, purple. No! Oh! I was so close to die. Okay. I am the last player surviving. Okay. Okay. Song is getting slower and the lava is rising faster. No, don't die. No, I didn't. No, I didn't touch it. No. Okay. Burrito races. Okay, this will be the last map for today. And yeah. Woohoo! Got that button? Oh. I know this part of the map. It is the best part of the whole map. Well, look at the details at that map, at this map. Everything is very well detailed. No, this guy's gonna get that button, okay. Yo. Dude, okay. Okay. Got that button? Now I'm just going to... Oh, I thought I actually missed that jump. Okay, everyone got that button, didn't they? Okay, I hate myself now. Lol. Okay, it's gonna rise anytime now. That could rise anytime now. Okay, it is rising. No. Okay, let's rip that guy. If he actually... Oh, he did. Okay. He did make it. Did he? Okay. This guy. Gotta go fast. Dude. It's already rising. Right on time. Okay, construction thrill. Yes. No. Okay. Yeah. I hate Mysterio. So, yeah. Had to die for that. So, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I will make another one of this.